Hey, I'm Luke.
Hi, I'm Destiny.
And this is our channel, Let Us Eat.
We're going to start off by introducing ourselves.
So I'm Luke. I am an avid baker. I love baking. Love trying new foods. I'm not a professional baker or have been any of that fun stuff, but I've learned over the years and I want to expand my expertise. And this is my best friend, Destiny.
Hi, my name is Destiny. I am a dietetics student currently. I am wanting to kind of just expand my cooking. Currently, I have very limited cooking experience, so I'm really hoping like testing recipes out here and just baking will really get me into a good mindset and know what's going on. And then our channel here is going to be baking. We're gonna bake off.
So yes, our channel is gonna be a bake off between me, regular diet kind of guy, and then we have Destiny, who's a vegan and wants to try vegan recipes. Mm-hmm. We've noticed that there's actually not that big of a difference, other than some of the non-vegan ways, of course, like no eggs, can be a little bit of a challenge, but I think that we can definitely work around that and figure out different ways that we could prepare the same dish.
The vegan recipes may kind of not turn out the way that we're expecting just because of the substitutes that are made, so that's kind of the whole purpose behind them, is just to kind of see what happens and then go from there and see like what are the changes that we could possibly make for it to be a better dish. Besides just the bake-off, we're going to be making other plant-based recipes just so that we can kind of like expand our range and just kind of offer a wide variety that everybody can try, and that's what we're here to do.
So I'm actually really excited to try this. Now, I've been vegan before in my life. I definitely want to, I wouldn't say go completely vegan, but definitely go towards a plant-based diet. Better for the environment, I think, anyways, if I try to do that. That's my whole idea here, and that's, she's gonna teach me some of her recipes that she knows, different cooking food-wise, try to substitute out meat. I'm actually really excited, and I hope I can
like gain experience from it, learn something new about new ingredients, because there's a lot of things that a lot of people aren't aware of. So
yeah, and I'm here to help teach her to get around the kitchen. I know that you're baking
is terrible.
I mean, like, there was one moment I was like, do you know what you're doing here? No. Which is why it's okay. Like, that's why we're here to learn, and we hope to teach what we've learned to you guys with our videos.
Join the experience and be a part of it with us.
Yes. Go us. I think that was good too.
Cool.